Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 3.2 question number 5. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with a measure of an exterior angle is 22 degree? So each exterior angle is 22 degree. Is it possible or not, they are asking. So let us try to find the number of sides for the polygon. If we are getting the number of sides, it is possible. If you are not getting, it's not possible. That's it. So here, so let's take the exterior angle formula. An exterior angle means one exterior angle is 22 degree, they have mentioned. So we have a formula now. Each exterior angle is equal to each exterior angle, that is 360 degree by n, which is equal to 22 degree. So now we want to get the n value. So take this division n to that side, 22 to this side. So 360 degree by 22, which is equal to n. By 2 table, this is 11 times, this is 180 times. So 11 not able to cancel the 180 degree, it will come to the decimal only. So the number of sides cannot be in decimal at all. So it is not possible. So this is not possible. 22 degree cannot be the exterior angle for any regular polygon. 22 degree is not an exterior angle for any regular polygon. We can say it's not possible because we are not getting the number of sides. Same question, one more part. Can it be an interior angle for any regular polygon? This 22 degree can be an interior angle for any regular polygon, they are asking. So without using the interior formula, we can make the exterior angle as interior angle now. Children, listen. So here they are asked you to use interior angle value is 22 degree. Is it possible or not, they are asking. Now with the use of this interior angle, you try to find the exterior angle. If each interior angle is 22 means exterior angle will be, so the interior and each exterior if you add, that will come to 180 degree. So exterior will be 180 minus 22, we can say that is 158. So this is each exterior angle value. Because why we are finding means each exterior angle formula is very easy. So exterior angle is 360 by n. Actually this is each exterior only we are finding, which is equal to, here what is given, 158. So this division n going to that side, that multiplication 158 coming to this side. So 360 by 158 we are getting, which is equal to n. So in 158 also, this 360 is not possible because 182s are 360 we will be getting. So this also will lead to decimal only. So number of side cannot be negative. So 22 degree cannot be the interior angle also for any regular polygon. So this also you should write it. Not possible. Not possible. 22 degree cannot be interior or exterior angle for any regular polygon. Any regular polygon. That is your final answer. Very easy. We'll move on to the next problem now. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? So let's take a triangle for example. So here my interior is 60. Suppose if I am taking a square, my interior will become 90. If I am taking pentagon, it will get increased. Definitely it will get increased. So number of sides is small means 3 sides means the angle is 60. 4 sides means angle is 90 we are getting. So here what they are asking, what is a minimum interior angle? Minimum interior angle you have to take from the triangle only. For triangle, for equilateral triangle, what is angle? 60 degree. So we can say that minimum interior angle for a regular polygon. Minimum interior angle for regular diagrams, for regular polygon, which is equal to 60 degree. From the triangle only I am taking, because when your sides are increased, that angle also will keep on increased. So minimum value should come from your triangle only. So the next problem, what is the maximum exterior angle possible, they are asking. Same again we are starting with the triangle. So here if the interior is 60 means exterior will be 120. So if I am taking a square, here my interior is 90, my exterior also 90. So here that interior value will be keep on increasing, but my exterior angle will keep on decreasing, because this value will be getting more means definitely this value will get decrease only, because this addition should come to 180 always. So here they are asked you to find what is the maximum exterior angle. That also will come from only the triangle only, because that exterior angle, when the diagram is developed for the more number of sides, this angle will be getting reduced. In certain case it will become a circle, that exterior angle will become 0 also. So from 120 degree it will be keep on decreasing only. So what is the maximum exterior angle possible? For triangle only we have to take. So maximum exterior angle for any polygon, maximum exterior angle for a regular diagram is, for regular polygon is, for a regular polygon which is equal to 120 degree. That is your correct answer. Both we have to take it from triangle only. Minimum interior is from triangle, maximum exterior angle so from triangle only. That's all students, very easy. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.